Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I'm gonna show you how to connect Messenger to Instagram. Let's get started. Firstly, open your Messenger app. And then go to menu by clicking at the three horizontal lines at the top left corner of your screen. And then tap the gear icon to open the settings. Then scroll to the bottom and tap See More in Account Center. And then go to Profiles and select your Facebook profile. Then at the bottom, tap your profile again and just turn on the sync profile info by toggling the button on. From here, confirm that you want to sync your profile info in Instagram and Facebook. And now, both of your accounts are connected into one profile. You may confirm that by going back to the previous page, and then you may see that Facebook and Instagram is connected as one profile. And that's it. You now know how to connect your Messenger to Instagram. If you have found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helps me reach more people. See you soon!